What are per diem rates and expense reports? Have you ever wondered how businesses manage travel expenses for their employees? One key element in this process is the per diem rate. So, what exactly are per diem rates in expense reports? Let's break it down. Per diem rates are fixed daily allowances that companies provide to employees to cover costs incurred during business travel. This includes expenses for lodging, meals, and incidental costs. The term per diem comes from Latin, meaning by the day. This system simplifies expense reporting by allowing employees to avoid submitting detailed receipts for every single expense. Typically, per diem rates cover three main categories. First, lodging expenses include costs for overnight stays in hotels, motels, or rental accommodations. Second, meal expenses cover breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Lastly, incidentals refer to minor expenses, such as tips, dry cleaning, or room service fees. These rates are often set by authoritative organizations. For instance, in the United States, the General Services Administration establishes standardized per diem rates for federal employees. Many private organizations adopt these rates or reference them. The rates vary by location to reflect differences in the cost of living. For example, cities like New York or San Francisco have higher per diem rates compared to areas with lower living costs. From an administrative standpoint, per diem rates make the expense report process much more efficient. Instead of tracking and submitting receipts for every meal or lodging expense, employees receive a set amount per day based on their destination and duration of travel. The total reimbursement is simply calculated by multiplying the per diem rate by the number of travel days. When employees submit an expense report, they detail the trip's purpose, dates, and location, along with their per diem claim. Some companies even provide per diem payments upfront, which are later reconciled against the final expense report. Utilizing expense management software can further streamline this process by automating per diem calculations and simplifying approvals. For office managers or administrative professionals involved in expense report processing, understanding per diem rates is essential. It ensures compliance with company policies and government regulations. It also speeds up reimbursement and reduces the administrative workload by minimizing the need for detailed receipt verification. In essence, per diem rates in expense reports serve as a practical tool for managing travel expenses efficiently. They provide a clear and standardized method for reimbursing employees while simplifying the administrative tasks involved in expense management.